You cut subscriptions. You reduce spending. You built a budget. You started saving. But something becomes clear. You can only cut so much. There is a ceiling. So, what's next? Income changes the game. Saving $200 per month. That's $2,400 per year. But increasing income by $500. That's $6,000 per year. Income multiplies your options. More investing. More security. More freedom. So the real question becomes, how do you earn more? Path 1. Better skills. Skills increase your value. Employers pay for value. Path 2. Better job. Sometimes the raise is elsewhere. Path 3. Side income. A small project. Freelance work. Digital products. Even small income matters. Because small income compounds. That's $600 per year. And it can grow. Skills compound faster than money. Better skills. Better opportunities. Higher income. More investing. Which grows wealth. This is the real engine. And it starts small. But it grows over time. If you stay consistent. You're no longer only saving. You're building income. You're building skills. You're building systems. And systems build wealth. This is how control becomes freedom. Money is no longer the limit. Next, turning income into long-term wealth.